In this video, we'll show you the safest way to get out of a chair. If you're caring for someone, we'll show you how you can support them with this technique. If you use a walking stick, make sure it's within reach before standing. If you use a Zimmer or wheeled walker, make sure this is in front of you. Use the arms of the chair to sit yourself upright and slide or shuffle your bottom toward the edge of the chair, but not so far forward that you could fall off. Now bring your heels back against the chair and place your feet flat on the floor hip-width apart. Move your head forward, nose over toes, and then push your feet down into the floor and look up as you stand. Take a second to find your balance and don't forget your walking aid if you use one. Now let's look at how you can support someone with this technique. If they have a walking aid, make sure it's within reach. If they use a walker, place it in front of the chair. You'll need to be standing beside them, so make sure there's nothing in the way. Remember to bend from your knees if you need to move anything to avoid injuring your back. Start by simply guiding them through the process. Remind them to use the arms of the chair, ask them to shuffle forward. You can assist them with a hand across their shoulder blades or lower back if they need some help. Remind them to get their feet into the correct position. Stand beside them in a step stance with your front foot level to their feet. Place one hand on their shoulder, open palm, and then bring your other hand behind their shoulders or toward their lower back. Remind them to lean forward, nose over toes. It can be helpful for them to rock back and forth a couple of times before standing so that you get the timing right. You can use a verbal prompt here like ready, steady, stand, and then straighten your knees to provide support with your hands as they stand. If they use a walking aid, you can help them to get this into position before you move away. So that's the technique. Just make sure to encourage them to do as much as they can by themselves so that you're supporting their independence.